Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening the 82 Nissan Skyline R30 from the Fracty Fresh series, and it's car 10 of 10. It's a 2018 casting, it's a brand new one for Hot Wheels, we haven't seen it before, and it's pretty cool. They're going to release it in a black and grey colour as well in the Factory Fresh that's already on pegs as we speak, so get that as well if you can. This is a pretty big car for Japan, yep, a JDM model. It's very popular. Lots of car enthusiasts really love this car, and I think Hot Wheels has done it justice for the first release in this red and black. And the gold wheels, they look pretty nice too. They haven't overdone the decals or anything. It almost looks like it's got tail light stamps with the black stamps around the red paint. It's got the Hot Wheels logo on the rear tail light, what is it called? The number plate area. So it's pretty cool. Overall, I actually like this car. I like that they've got the headlights visible with the plastic, the same piece of plastic for the windows. It's nice and simple. It's a really nice car. Let's try it out on the track, see how it goes. It's a track car, so it'll be nice to see it work well. See, we've got that 82 Skyline. Such a nice car. Put it in through the booster. Oh, fell off the track. Let's give it one more go, see how it goes. Nope, not quite make it all the way around. That's unfortunate because it's actually a pretty nice car. I really do like this one. So it will work on some sort of tracks, just not this setup that we've got here. I'm going to look forward to see this on the downhill 6-lane raceway though. We're going to have this in some competitions, so I'm looking forward to it. Alright, big thumbs up, comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.